This has to be one of the easiest plumbing fixes that any homeowner can do. The outside tap is dripping and not shutting off, so the best thing to do is just to replace it. Got to shut the water off first. Doing this out in the road is normally the best place to do it. You may have a stop tap under your sink, but they often are brass and don't turn very easily. The ones out in the road that are plastic are much easier to turn. Sometimes need to give them a little bit of a clean out, scrape it out, then you can fit the tool in, quarter turn this one, and it just shuts off dead easy. You want to watch out for the false widows that are always lurking around in here. Managed to move some of them out, get them at the bottom so they weren't going to bite my hands. Switch the tap on to make sure that the water has actually shut off. That's critical, because if it hasn't, you can be in trouble when you undo the tap. If you find this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more weekly long-form plumbing and DIY videos. These sort of jobs are perfect for the flat Nipex grips. Expensive grips, but brilliant. And then the backhoe adjustable spanner, always coming in useful. They're not often over tight, these taps. On the very rare occasion I've had to apply some heat to get them off on older taps, but they come off dead easy. I'm forever getting plumbers saying that you only need between 10 and 12 wraps of PTFE tape, which in my opinion is rubbish, because the tap will never line up straight, and even if it does, it will be loose and will likely leak. So I'm going to do a little tester here just to show you how 10 wraps of PTFE tape works on an outside tap. The customer supplied this outside tap. This one has a double check valve built inside, which doesn't actually meet water regs, but inside the property there was no double check valve with the old tap. So this is better than nothing, but ideally it should have a double check valve inside. As you can see, I'm just winding this on with my hand. It gets to around the bottom where it should be pointing, but it's still a bit loose. Give it a bit of a wobble here, and it's just no good really. You can still spin it around even further, which is just no good. That's why 10 wraps of PTFE tape is useless. And even spin it around further to the side, and that's where it would end up if it was tight. Now my recommendation is 21 wraps of PTFE tape. I've always done that since I started 15 years ago, the way I was taught, and it works 99 out of 100 times. On outside taps, it's worked every single time. I do this on rad valves as well. Towel rails, sometimes I need a bit more. The PTFE tape isn't quite as good quality as it once was, in my opinion. But that's 21 wraps. As you can see, it's already getting tighter. The water was still running a little bit, but makes no odds to me. It's easy enough to carry on doing it. Here was getting a bit tight, so I needed to use the adjustable spanner. Finally, to just get it lined up, hold on to the pipe and just nip it up ever so slightly just to get it lined up. Water back on, avoiding the false widows. And that is one of the easiest plumbing jobs that you can ever do. It took me all of about 10 minutes. It took me longer to get the camera out to film than it did to actually do the job. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily videos. Upload shorts every day and 1 to 2 long form videos per week.